Welcome everybody to live case break. This is Larry. We are running tier 1 case number 12. Before we do that, we've got to run the random for remaining teams. First, we are going to roll our dice. We're going to get a number. We're going to run random.org that many times. Why is my YouTube screen frozen? Okay, we're going to run that many times on the names and the teams. Whatever team you wind up across from, that is the team you will have throughout the break. If we have a dual autograph card that needs to be random, the number we get on the dice now is the number we will use to randomize that card. All right, here we go. Nope, you didn't get that one in the hot, Mike. 1 and 2. 3. I could sing you Tony Braxton songs, Steven. Unbreak my heart. Alright, here we go. 3 times. First the names, 1, 2, and 3. And now the teams. Let's see if I covered up that screen so you don't get it. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Michael R. pulls Yankees again. Pirates, Stephen M. White Sox, Ryan A. Andy C. with the Rangers. Think like 120, Greg. Stephen M. with the Angels. There you go, Stephen. Mets, Mike E. Michael R's got Reds and Rays. Dodgers to Greg Nemo. And Tigers to Nick B. All right. $110, $120, something like that. Alright, doesn't look like there's much action going on the trade front, so let me get some more sleeves out. Alright, and away we go. Case number 12. Good luck, everybody. Let's see if we get a clean dismount like that last case. Oh no, it's a 10-box dismount. The other 2 boxes are stuck inside. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Wow, look at this. We start off with the Sanchez. New York Yankees. Sanchez. Michael R. And Michael R., if you like the Sanchez, perhaps you also like Greg Bird. Back-to-back Yankees to start the break. And then Robin can add to her Cardinal relic collection with another Tommy Pham. Robin's Tommy Pham PC grows bigger by the moment. Oh, that's a nice one. For the Oakland Athletics, the Eck, Dennis Eckersley. I've not seen him yet. That's out of 90. So a short print mojo there. For the Atlanta Braves, Lucas Sims. Nick B. And for the Washington Nationals, Victor Robles. For the Milwaukee Brewers, Travis Shaw. Playing well this year. Former Red Sox farmhand. For the Oakland A's, Dustin Fowler. A's with 2 early autos. And for the Chicago Cubs, John Lester. For the Detroit Tigers, Jacoby Jones, auto relic out of 100. Kid's got a little bit of talent. What about Pudge? And he could be a Pudge bat knob. Derek Fisher for the Astros. That goes to Haig. And for the Colorado Rockies, Ryan McMahon. Craig M. Do they have Nolan Ryan in this, Andy? We got a thickie. We've got a thickie. That's very thick. Could this be a bat knob? No, I think the bat knobs are all on the back. For the Minnehaha Twins, Jose Barrios. Ryan's late pickups are hitting. For the Red Sox, Drew 1 to 2 per case Pomeranz. Let me fix the chat in the YouTube. For the St. Louis Cardinals, Carlos Martinez. Another relic to go with Robin's crazy sick relic collection. And for the Chicago White Sox, the big hurt, Frank Thomas Legends. White Sox are Ryan A. Ryan A picking up hits left and right here. Dinkin' and Duncan. No redemption so far this case either. Oh! We broke the streak! We broke the streak! We did it! We did it! We broke the streak. You are a good breaker. Who is Tim? I just texted him. Good job, Steven. Steven, do you want the code? All right, after the break. Your number is in your account, right? Brett Phillips for the Brewers. Your cell number is in your account. I'll text you after the break, bud. We finally broke the drought. Watch there be 2 in this case. And for the Mets, Michael Conforto. Steven, is your number on your profile, your cell number on your customer profile? So at least we know Ohtani really is in the product. All right, cool. I'll text you right after the break. We have another redemption. This one for the Yankees. Clint Frazier. For the Dodgers, Alex Wood. I didn't hit any Clint Fraziers till tonight, and I've had back-to-back Clints. And also for the Dodgers, for Greg Nemo, we have Yasiel Puig. I got Wood. I covered my wood. I covered my wood with a sleeve. Oh wow! Look at that. Another redemption. Oh wow! Look at this thing. This case is heating up. The big hurt. Frank Thomas, 31 out of 80. Ryan A. Yes. It finally happened. The streak has been broken. For the Houston Astros, Marwin Gonzalez. Lots of redemptions in this case. For the Atlanta Braves, Sean Newcomb. And Mr. Nemo, I have something for you next. For the Cleveland Indians, Copper Auto, 3 out of 25, Omar Vizquel. Four boxes left. Another fat pack, guys. A bat knob. Gregory Nemo. Brace yourself. It's got a ding corner, but... Greg, are you here? Are you bracing yourself carefully? Are you holding yourself closer? Watch this dude not even be in the room. You ready, brother? For the Cleveland Indians, Roberto Alomar. I had to prepare Greg. I didn't want him to hurt himself. Very nice, buddy. Congrats. For the Minnesota Twins, Max Kepler. If you guys want, I could probably do 13 tonight. Do you guys want to do one more? I'll ask the boss for permission. We probably could get it gone. For the Reds, Adam Duvall. I almost kind of like skipped over that. How about this? We'll start filling 13. I can't guarantee it. Oh, wow. That's awesome. I bet it's going to be so nice. For the Dodgers, Alex Verdugo. I think there's going to be a beast on the back of this thing, guys. Craig M., who's been just killing it lately. I haven't seen the front of the card, but I have a feeling it's going to be nice. For the Rays, Daniel Robertson. Ryan, it was Max Kepler, buddy. Max Kepler. For the... Oh, that's nice. For the Reds, Raisel Iglesias. This has been a very good case. I think I like it better than the other case that was good. I think this case 10 and this case are two really good ones. And for Craig M. and the Boston Red Sox. 10 of 10, Andrew Benintendi, Jumbo Patch. That's nice. Two left. I know, right? This case has been epic, and there's 2 boxes left. For the Houston Astros, Alex Bregman. I could sign it, Mike. I could put something on there. For the Los Angeles Dodgers, Chris Taylor. And Robin adds yet another relic to her relic PC, Jack Flaherty. All right, last box. Guys, Tim is going to break 13 on tomorrow anyway, so if it doesn't fill, it will run tomorrow. So do not worry. First we got for the Yankees, Sonny Gray. We've got an auto out of 10 for Miss Robin here. It's not Ozzie Smith. However, it is Mr. Jack Flaherty. Silver auto, 6 of 10. And the last card of the break, Robbie Cano for the Mariners. And that is an epic case 12. Very, very good case. Steven, give me 2 seconds.